at Librae Bakery. See, but it shines. And then, Alright, sorry, I'm back. I decided I also wanted the sticky date. Yeah, thank you. That's all. Try it. It's nice. It's a bit boring. Oh, like I can't taste much. No, but I think I'm gonna ask them if I can add an extra shot. I paid for it. Sticky date and oat. There's like a shadow on the camera. You see it on my forehead? We're going Staten Island Ferry, and guess who is not dressed accordingly? And literally everyone else is wearing like these big puffer jackets and like stuff, and I'm not wearing anything. Wait, why is it not like? We're on the ferry to see the Statue of Liberty. Why is it being like that? It's still on there, the black dot. Yes. We are in Friday again, and we've made it to Wall Street, I think. There's no signs. Wall Street. We're in the financial district. We just hopped off the Staten Island Ferry, and I'm getting Sweetgreen because I wanted to try it. I think it's pretty much like fishbowl, but yum. Broccoli, I miss it. It's my name up there. Spinach. Crunchy breadcrumbs. Broccoli. Welcome to our hotel room. This is the bed, and then this is the bathroom with a bath and me. Hello, hello. And we walk into here. I wonder what's in the door. Have a couch and some complimentary champagne and the goodies, and then the view. It is such a nice view. Shower time.
Worry about nothing.
Whipping pastry, cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus, driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Cab holla back, for foreigners it ain't fair, they act like they.
I'm watching a movie in my hotel, and I got Popeyes, and I'm gonna do a little mukbang, but not much because I need to enjoy this for myself. He's having a shower. Let me show you the scenes, and then mukbang. I'm watching Anger Management because it's set in New York. I don't know if I've seen it or not. But these are the vibes. My Popeyes down there. I'm gonna go get it.
Yeah.
Mukbang.
That sounds great. Yeah, if it turns out work, I'd love to go to a jazz club with you.
Diet. Then the Popeyes. First, we got the chips. What is this? Like a scone? I think I need the sauces. And then this. It's crunchy. Big ketchup.
Your head
Okay, this is scary, but listen to this. It's really yum.
For crying out loud. You're missing important plot points. Ma'am?
Could you give me a second?
We're going to the Golden Diner for pancakes. and there's New York. This way.
Please get 2 12-ounce banana matchas.
I'll have it ice.
1 ice and 1 hot.
Oh yeah, and then what type of milk is it?
Does it come with oat? Just milk?
Put all of them, 1 ice and hot.
Yes, please. I want to taste. I like the syrup. You can taste at the bottom. And then the matcha. It's good matcha. Yeah. Thinking that, but at least we're still close. We have the Golden Diner pancakes. I think that's maple. Fuck this. I don't know what it's looking like. It wasn't even recording.
What?
But this is fucking amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, I think today we are going to go, I think we might be going to the Met. Yeah, wait, hang on. Look at how fluffy. Look how fluffy they are. Like, oh my. Guys, I just got runner's high. And I think I ran like a kilometer, which was also like 500, maybe 100 meters. But the pancakes were so fucked up, and so I got runner's high and pancake high, and I'm feeling good. It's really cold. We're going to the subway right now, and girl bossing it. No, lady bossing it. It's really cold. But I'm high on running life stuff. My god, it's the Met. people called it. When there's no wind, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, true. I think so. And they walk up these steps. I don't know. Oh, we should go up to the top level. I feel like this is in a movie, surely.
Is this pervy? No.
That's ouchie. Why is it in there? It is nice. Look how perky it is. Yes. Even when they're like both tall and they're similar heights. Queen's Chambers. They're so pretty. Take a photo. Yeah. We're walking around the Met.
Okay. Add it to my family.
We have now seen Grand Central Station. Tick, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, bye. See it again. Bye bye. That is where the lion guy got put into a plane crate to back to Madagascar, or wherever he went onto an island.
It's a 20-minute walk.
Alright, let's do this. We're going to Hollister now.
Thirsty.
Let's go up, 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 up. Oh, we're in the Apple store.
How did we end up being out?
Thank you.